Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will discuss about yarn under textile design. Definition: the word yarn or thread is used in common parlance to cover all the linear textile structures. Yarns can be either single or folded. A yarn is an assemblage of fibers or filaments having a substantial length and relatively small cross-section, with or without twist, being the end product of a spinning and winding process. The three basic classifications of textile yarn include staple fiber yarn, which uses mostly short natural fibers to make yarn; fly yarns, which involve one or more strands of staple fiber yarn woven together; and filament yarn, which is woven from one or more long continuous filaments. Yarn may be any of the following: number of fibers twisted together, number of filaments without twist, number of filaments twisted with more, less twist. Single filament, one or more strips cut by length of a sheet of material of natural/synthetic or any polymer. Terms: spun yarns are made by mechanical assembly and twisting together, spinning, of staple fibers such as cotton, flax, wool, broken or cut man-made fibers. Filament yarns are made by the assembly of continuous filaments, made from silk or man-made fibers. A multi-filament yarn is a filament yarn made from multiple filaments, assembled with or without twist. A monofilament yarn consists of only a single continuous filament from man-made source. Two or more yarns which are woven side by side on the same package, but without twisting around each other, are called assembled yarns. Folded or tied yarns are yarns made by twisting together two or more single and or folded yarns of the same or different types. Two-ply, two singles, cords or cable yarns are yarns made by twisting together two or more ply or folded yarns of the same or different types. 2-3-ply cord. twist is the spiral arrangement of the fibers around the axis of the yarn. The twist binds the fibers together and also contributes to the strength of the yarn. The amount of twist inserted in a yarn defines the appearance and the strength of the yarn. The number of twists is referred to as turns per inch. Twist direction. S-twist. When a twisted yarn is held vertically, the individual filaments are appearing in this case as the diagonal in the letter S. The same can apply if several yarns have been twisted together. Their combined twist can again appear as the diagonal of the twist direction. Z-twist. When a twisted yarn is held vertically, the individual filaments are appearing in this case as the diagonal in the letter Z. The same can apply if several yarns have been twisted together. Their combined twist can again appear as the diagonal of the letter Z. Functions of the twist in yarn structure. 1. To increase the yarn strength in order to withstand the stress of preparation and fabric manufacture. 2. The main function of twist is to give coherence to the yarn. 3. If the twist is low, the fibers can be made to slide past one another, but if it is large, the increasing tension would break the fibers. Relation between yarn strength and yarn twist. Up to a certain point, if the twist increase, the strength of the yarn will be increased. Further increase in twist, the yarn will be weaker and finally broken. Objectives of yarn twisting: to hold the staple fibers together, to increase the yarn strength, to increase yarn evenness. Finer yarn has more twists. In the case of moisture absorption, high twist holds the fibers tight, thus restricting water to enter. On the other hand, low twist yarn is used where absorbency is required. In the case of aesthetic effects, 1. The level of twist in yarn alters its appearance both by changing the thickness and light reflecting properties. 2. Different patterns can be produced in a fabric by using similar yarns but with different twist levels. Importance of twist: the shape of yarn becomes round. Increase tensile properties of yarn due to twist. The inter-cohesion affinity of fibers increases due to twist and don't open the fibers easily.